Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the right tools into your kit. Equip the 2 primary gadgets you plan to use and a throwable, and pick a complementary class. Do this now so you avoid swapping under fire. Once done, make sure your perk choices and ammo support repeated gadget use. Some perks reduce cooldowns or replenish charges. Finally, bind quick access keys or position gadgets on the wheel so you can pull them instantly when an engagement begins. This reduces fumbling and saves lives. You now execute deployment, move to a prepared position, then place or toss gadgets where they have clear lines of effect but are protected from easy destruction. While doing this, tell your squad when and where you'll activate them. Coordinated timing amplifies impact. Also, account for bounce and ricochet. Angled throws reach sheltered targets, while high ground placements extend detection and blast radius. Keep adjusting placement based on enemy movement, so each gadget delivers maximum tactical advantage. You finish by exploiting the window created, push or flank while foes are stunned, suppressed, or distracted. Immediate action turns gadgets into kills. After the engagement, reset your gadgets, swap to backups, and restock at resupply points when available, because sustained utility matters. If a gadget seems to fail, troubleshoot quickly. Check for high ping, packet loss, or obstruction by destructible objects, and then switch to an alternate gadget or reposition. Doing so prevents repeated wasted attempts and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.